first two mantra was what? OC and RC description. Now next two mantras are very important mantras. Some are there which are not important also. No, all are important. Very important mantras which are not taking us to that core, that is the how the sadhana has to be taken from outside to inside. That gradual steps has been mentioned in this two mantras, very popular mantras. I think it is better if you can by heart it. Just stick it, later on you can by heart it, but they are very important. You have by hearted it? Yes. इंद्रियभ्य परायर्थ अर्थेभ्यश्च परम मन मनसस्तु परा बुद्धि बुद्धिरात्मा महान परम महान महता परम अव्यक्तम अव्यक्तात् पुरुष परः पुरुषान् पुरुषात् न परम किंचित् सा काष्ठा सा परागति. So this mantra is a very important mantra and it is very useful also what it says here. Before I go into the details of the mantra, there is something called 5 sheets I had mentioned once upon a time. Not sheet, sheath. SHEATH. Sheet, not bed sheet. Sheath. So what are those 5 sheets? If you remember, one was Annamay Kosh, other was Pranamay Kosh, third was Manomay Kosh, fourth was Vigyanmay Kosh, fifth was Anandamay Kosh. Don't forget this Kosh. Okay. Now, here there is a journey from outside to inside. In this journey, this is called going from outer layer of the personality to innermost, not layer, innermost self. One is layer, other is your own self. What is that now? Please tell me in detail. I want to know in detail. Acha, haan. Very detailed is there. So outermost layer of the personality in this particular two mantras are mentioned as sense organs. Sense organs, not sense object. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organ of action and 5 of knowledge. Jnanendriyani and Karmendriyani. I hope you remember that. So that is called sense organs are outmost layer of our personality. Okay. Now, second layer of the personality is called subtle sense objects. What is subtle? I'll see that. We'll see that. Let us first prepare the outline, then we'll fill the colors in what we're explaining. So first is the out sense organ, second is the subtle sense object, not subtle sense organ. Subtle sense object. Okay, second number. Third is called mind. Third layer, innermost, where we are traveling. We are traveling inside. Where is the car? This is the intellectual traveling, not traveling in distance. It is traveling intellectually. Third is the mind. Fourth is the intellect, buddhi. Very good. 4 हो गया. Fifth layer is called Mahan. Mahan means here Mahan is a word for Hiranyagarbha. Mahan. Then sixth is called Avyakt or Maya or unmanifest. These 3 words are there. What are the words? Avyakt, Maya, Prakriti. All these are words for cosmic unmanifest power. So these are the layers. This is sixth. Okay, good. Now don't forget this. Let us travel now. So first was sense organs, Indriyani. Second Sanskrit word, Artha. Artha means English word, subtle sense object. Keep your mind open and wide. Third was Mana. Fourth is Buddhi. Fifth is Hiranyagar Mahan. And sixth is Avyakt. I am telling now, this is the word here. Now it is said here that indriya, so what is the word? Superior than the sense organs is the subtle sense object. Now, superior is a technical word. Superior means what? Sukshmaha mahantascha pratyak. So, three things are called superior. One is subtle, pratyak, which is closer to self and which is more bigger, more pervasive. Subtle means sukshmaha. What is the meaning of superiority? Superiority means which is more subtle, which is more closer to the self. Technical word is pratyak. And third was which is more bigger, pervasive. Okay. So among the five sense objects, among the earth, water, fire, air and space, which is subtlest? Space, because it has only one property. Which is grossest? Earth. Okay, fine. Acha, which is more bigger? Space, because space is more pervasive. Acha, now tell me, this book and hand, which is more closer to self? This book and hand, which is more closer to self? Hand, because you will say that book and this hand, right? Now, between hand and eyes, which is closer to self? Eyes, that hand and this eyes. Between eyes and mind, which is closer to self? Mind, that eyes and this mind. Between mind and intellect, intellect is closer. So one who has these three things, subtlety, pervasiveness and closeness to self, these three things combined is called superiority. Okay. You know, sir, he is an inside person. In the offices, he's an inside person of the boss. Therefore, his power is more. He's inside person of the boss in the office, or prime minister is close to prime minister. He's more closer, therefore he's more powerful. Okay. Or you say, I think he controls the whole area. Pervasiveness is superiority. And subtlety means he has more depth in one subject. More depth in one subject. If he knows more subject, he is not expert in something. So now in the medical term, this is the area of his specialization. One is GP is there. It is easier to get the GP, but difficult to get a neurosurgeon. Difficult to get some orthopedics. In eyes also, there is a retina specialist and cornea specialist. In teeth also, dentist is different, and the one who puts the, what is it called? Brace ka bolte? Huh? Orthodontist. He is difficult to get. He will charge more. Specialization will charge more. A dentist will not charge that much. But this one, now he has done more work. So he has more power. You are getting my point. So as you go in your class 1, class 7, all subjects are there. All subject, English, Hindi, social science, chemistry, biology. But as you go more and more, your number of subjects are becoming lesser. You are tending to be specialist. So BSc or graduation you do, but honors you do in one subject. I hope, no? Honors in one subject. Well, I am doing honors in physics. Then as you go ahead, physics is also divided into many parts now. Chemistry is also divided. Organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. And if you do research, among that only they will take on one topic. Well, I am doing research in the chemistry. Which chemistry? Organic. Organic में नहीं research होता. In the organic also, I am doing the research. The play of chemicals in food. This is my research topic. Yes. If you don't know, don't worry. This I will not ask in the test. So As you become more and more subtler, your power is more to understand a subject. I hope you are understanding. This is more power in an area. Ordinary mechanic will do any work. Car mechanic will do. But bigger engineer, he will not do. He will be specialization in that engineering company, in that area I work. I work in that particular, I work in the rocket science. In the rocket science also, I work in this particular department. In the ignition department, I am there. I have done engineering from that. You are more specialized in that area. You have to study more after that. Engineering is only 4 or 5 years. But again, to get into more aeronautic and that particular, you have to go more inside. Then your value will be much more. You will have a bigger job. You will have. I hope you're understanding. So one more is more subtle. He will have more power also. So superiority has three criteria: one which is closer to self, one which is more pervasive, and one which is having more subtlety. Got my point. GP will not be able to see everything. GP can see everything. Well, but I have a neurological problem. I feel when I sit, my feet gets numb, and there is a pain at the back. Then I think you go for MRI. Numbness is not a good sign. But I get numb when I sit, not like this, but sit straight also on the chair also. The numbness I feel. And pain is there, severe pain. I think then you go to the neurologist, neurosurgeon. You have to go, and neurosurgeon will immediately say, "Go and see MRI." Then MRI you bring. Then MRI he will illustrate everything. A neurosurgeon won't talk about dentistry. It's not his area. He will know I'm not. Well, but I have toothache also. No, go to another doctor. No, I think you see because you are taking money. No, I am, I am only taking money for the back. I'm not a dentist. It's not my area. So you have to go to the dentist there. So this is another area. How beautiful points are there. And here now it is with these three things in mind, I will go to the mantra. Don't forget, because classes will be linked with each other. Now topic of Gyan is coming. Sadhana is over. Sadhana is over now. Topic of knowledge is coming. Which knowledge? Pure knowledge. Okay. Thank you so much. So here gradual, systematic, step-by-step revelation from grosser to subtler will be there. From less pervasive to more pervasive will be there. From which is distant from eye to closest to eye will be there. Well, I didn't know it was so scientific. Yes. So let us now go. So first is Indriyani. If you remember, I had said sense organ are what are they? There are two sense organs. One is structural sense organ, other is functional sense organ. You have forgotten. This eyes which you see, is it structural or functional? Structural. This is structural. The socket is here. It's only a socket. What is the realize the power behind this? Power cannot be seen. Power can be only felt. You cannot hold power, hold kar liya. You cannot hold eyes. You can take out this eyes. But that eye which is functioning behind this eye, you cannot see that eye. You can only feel that. Right? So that sense organ is the grossest. Sense organ. Achha, this is a structural hand. But behind that power of lifting is a functional hand. Indri word is used for the functional hand and not the structural hand. The one which is paralyzed is it structural or functional? When paralysis happened, a structural hand is there, but functional hand has disappeared. This power of lifting is not there now. Polio is there. Polio. So structural feet is there, but functional feet is not there. He cannot walk. I hope this is clear. So not see. There's one power here sitting. There's one power sitting here. There's one power sitting in the feet. There's one power sitting in the nose. One power sitting in the tongue. All are different powers with different headquarters. Only tongue shares both two offices are by the two powers using same office. Power of eating and power of talking. Both are dangerous. So both are seated here. Both have headquarters. Make this very, very clear. Okay. So in this hierarchy, so let us start with Indriyani. Indriyani is plural नहीं हुआ ना? अच्छा, Indriyani is a plural. So sense organs. अच्छा, superior than sense organs are sense objects. Long bhasht is there in that. I will not take that. Very technical topic is there. अच्छा. What is this sense objects? देखो ध्यान देना please be careful. I see the form. अच्छा, this watch, let us see this flower. This flower has, out of the 5, which sense object? Out of the 5 sense object, which it has? Huh? All 5 are there. The sound, there's a sound in it, belongs to which sense object? Space. Space has the quality of sound. It has touch. See? Touch belongs to which sense object? No, you are not. Skin is a sense organ. Air. Air has a property called touch. Fire has a property called, this has form. This form belongs to fire. Water has a quality called taste. And earth has a quality called smell. So later one has all previous one. Therefore earth has all 5. So in this flower, all 5 are there. It has a sound also. It has a completed touch also. It has a form also. It has a taste also. Some people eat also. And it has a smell also. Clear? Clear, so simple. Again I am repeating it. It appears simple, but we forget very fast. Sometimes in the class we understand everything. When you start writing the notes, sometimes problem is I don't understand what I wrote. You are searching your handwriting and you can't ask anybody, so embarrassing. You are wondering what is this? It happens. You are thinking what I wrote. How foolish I am. I am not able to write my. Discovering what is it. After you discover and you are very happy I got it. So I am repeating this whole thing. 5 sense objects are there. And all 5 have different properties. Space has property of sound. Air has property of touch. But please note, air has previous one also, because it is carrying the cause also. So air has touch and sound, because when the air flows, shing, sing, like that sound comes. Similarly, fire has its own is only form, previous to its touch and sound. Chat, chat, chat. And also there is a touch also. You can touch and see. You will feel the touch. Touch it later on after the course, otherwise we have to treat it. So, and the water has sound also. Gudu 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 gudu. Gudu 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 sound is there. Touch also. Form also. Taste also. Taste also. Therefore, when you are hungry, there is a watering tongue is there. The expression is my tongue waters. For some, all the time it waters. So, and this is the taste. Fire, water. Last was earth. Earth has no. Its own is a smell. Earlier one sound, it has touch, it has form, it has taste, its own has a smell. Water doesn't have a smell. But my water is smell. Then it is borrowed from something else. It has been borrowed. By itself, it does not have. I hope this is clear. Very simple. Just try to put it in the mind systematically. Only how many things shall I put in the mind? No, you keep on putting. Mind has a tremendous capacity. You keep on thinking and keep on putting. Only I get very confused. No need for confusion. When I'm feeling hungry, first listen. So first is the sense organ. Okay. Okay. Now, supposing my eyes are seeing this flower. Eyes are not smelling. See, they are very disciplined, though they don't interfere in anybody else's area. Eyes will not smell. From a distance, you can't say, I think the flower is. How do you know smelling? By the eyes. No, eyes says not my area. Nose says not my area. My eyes are seeing only the form. Okay. So one is the form outside. Is it clear? And the power of seeing inside. Okay. One power of seeing is a receiver, and what is seen is received. Okay, agreed. Acha. Now, power of seeing which is there, which is called sense organ. Behind that power of seeing, there is something called thought. That thought is of the particular form. So that power of seeing is coming from the thought of seeing. So power of seeing is emerging from the thought of that particular sense object. Now get my point, please. Acha, this external sense object is merging with this power of seeing. That means both have something in common. One is, now what I will say? I will say one is gross form, other is subtle sense organ, subtle fire, subtle one is here, gross one is outside. One is receiver is always subtler than the received. One is the outer form, which is the received one. Other is receiver of form called eyes or power of seeing. Okay, fine, wonderful. But there is a thought of seeing. This is the third step is there. So three things I said. One is external object. Second is sense organ. Third is thought of seeing. So external object is external. It is grossest. This sense organ is grosser. But this thought of seeing is subtler than the sense organ and the sense object of seeing. Well, I did not understand anything. Again, I will start. One is the outer sense object. This I know that. Other is the power of seeing. This also I know. But there is a thought of seeing behind that. This thought of seeing is a subtler sense object. So three things are there. So which is more closer to self? Outer sense object, the sense organ, power of seeing, or the Thought of seeing. Thought of seeing. Are you got it? Wonderful. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Well, I'm so intelligent, I never knew. No, let me complete, then you react. Then after coming here only I find, especially when I write notes, I feel so good. And when I get good, I get so happy. I don't see anything else. I just see last page. When I see good, I feel so good. I feel really I am good. First time I'm getting so many goods. In my examination, I used to get sweet dish. Sweet dish means what? Laddus. Sweet dish understood? 0 laddu. Somebody told in my exam result I got Swedish. Lot of Swedish I am getting. Swedish means yes. अच्छा ध्यान देना. Come back to the topic now. I'll continue in the next class also because this is an important topic. Please don't miss these points. Outer sense object, sense organ, and the thought of that form. Okay. From that thought of the form comes the power of the sense object. So all my sense organ, this is the thought, this is the power of holding, this is power of walking, this is power of hearing, this is a power of smelling, this is a power of tasting, this is a power of talking. All powers are relocated, different powers. They are in their own headquarters. They don't shift their office. Otherwise you will start drinking through nose. From nose I knew it's very tasty. The nose, they should not shift. They are not shifting their own sockets. Okay. क्या बढ़िया भगवान ने बनाया है. अभी snake is there, snake. अभी snake does not have feet. But the power of walking is in the stomach. The power of walking is in the stomach of the snake. Therefore it is called Padodar. It doesn't have a snake. You can't slither. If you want, you try it. You don't use hand. No, I can, by hand I can. No, supposing hand is not there. Only stomach is there and feet is not there. You cannot walk with the speed of a snake. But the power of walking is localized on the stomach in the snake. And therefore it can slither away. It can walk. You don't say walk. It will fast slither away. It will disappear. By the time you call somebody to see, it has already disappeared. No more problem where it has gone. One person was sleeping. Snake went into his shirt. Then what happened? The topic is this. You'll see later on. Then they brought a snake catcher. Because they thought if we take it out, he may not bite. Imagine what a plight, what a prarabdha people have. Horrible prarabdha. Anyway, this is called Padodar. Trees don't have any other sense organs. Trees have only skin. And it has feet only. It has feet. The roots it goes. But feet cannot walk ahead. It can only walk down. Oh, yes. So only two sense organs are there. Touch and the feet. We have 10 sense organs. Quite a sophisticated system we have. So again repeating, outer sense object, sense organ, thought of sense object, which is called subtle sense object. Sukshma Panch Mahabhut. It is called Tanmatra. Technical word is Tanmatra. How do you say like that? How do you say there is a subtle sense object? I can say that. How do you say like that? Because outer form you are seeing in your mind. Unless there is a thought of this, then you cannot see. Through the medium of sense organ, the thought is there. Thought of flower is formed. So these two are connected. Who? Outer form and the sense object and the thought. There is a big trio are together. All trio are together. That means they all must be related. If two people are mingling, then there must be some common point. If, you say we don't have any common point to talk on. Sometimes if we sit with somebody, there is no common. What he likes, I don't like. And what I like, he doesn't like. So we are not on one page. We are not on same page. More are the commonalities between two people, more they will mingling with each other. We will mingle, but we share a lot of interest. Therefore, I also like this, he also like this, I also like, he also likes. I also don't like that person, he also doesn't like that person. Therefore, we are on one page. If you hate somebody, you get another one, so you will be very close to that person. So, because this sense organ and the sense object, they are all on the form, that means they must be related to each other. That means this sense organ and this, there must be common point. What is a common point? What is a common point? Common point is subtle aspect of form is here and gross aspect of form is here. Well, why is subtle? It is subtle because it has light in it. It has consciousness in it. It is more expressive. So, sense object, sense organ, and the thought of that sense object. These are the three things together. They are one family. And therefore, I will say, subtler than the sense object is the thought of sense object called subtle sense object. Subtle here, so earth word here means earth vrittaya, subtle sense object. And indri we already heard. So when it is said indriyebhya parayarthaha, so artha means the subtle sense object. The subtle sense object is superior to the sense organ. Superior than the sense organ is the subtle sense object. Okay? Artha word is there. Okay. Why you are superior? Again you are saying, because it is three conditions. Three conditions. Yes. What? It is closer to the self. Okay. Second, it has sukshmam. It is less properties are there. Outer one has more property. This has lesser property. How come this has lesser property? Because this one is more pervasive. Thought is more pervasive than the outer thing. How do you know? Because to get a flower, you have to go out and get a flower. But to think about flower, it can be all pervasive. Thought is more pervasive than the object. One rule is, thought is more pervasive than the object. Thought is more pervasive than the respective object. Okay. And the power of seeing is in the eyes. Therefore, power of seeing is localized or not? Yes, say yes. But the thought of seeing is not localized. It is more pervasive. power of seeing, power of taste is only on the tongue. But when you think about some taste, supposing I say, please think about the taste of lemon. You are not tasting on the tongue, you are tasting in the mind. Therefore, that is more pervasive. So, thought of the sense object is more pervasive than the sense organ. I hope this is clear. So both tests we passed. One was closeness, other was pervasiveness, and one is property. This outer sense object has more property. Why? Why it is more property? Because it is more finite. Anything which is more constricted will have more property, more property. One is more pervasive, will have lesser property or more property? Lesser property. This is more lesser. This is more pervasive, therefore it has lesser property. And therefore, indriyebhya parayarthaha, subtler than the sense organ is the subtle sense object, not gross sense object. Here artha means arthvrittaya, subtle sense object. Perceived sense object which has entered the mind. This is the meaning of arthaha. This is a very technical shlok. I hope you will not miss the bus. Bolin, I'm not going anywhere. No, missing the bus means you are not missed the point. Okay. So, indriyebhya parayartha. Indriyebhya parayartha. I hope it is clear. Not clear? Clear? You can clear it more. My time is over. I'm going very, very slowly. I can't go more slower than this. Otherwise, Kathopanishad will be incomplete. Well, now please complete it. Yes. Next we will see. Next class is revise and come.